Many mobile phones now have embedded cameras and can take high-resolution images. However, they are not as useful as they might be due to two factors. First, they are not set up for an interactive discussion involving multiple pictures. Typically, they just transfer one image at a time via email. The second problem is that the bandwidth of the uplink is very constrained. This means each image takes a long time to transmit, and video is nearly impossible with conventional codecs. The IBM Ubiq system aims to alleviate these problems by directly linking a PDA-based mobile phone with a PC-based application. In operation, the phone user reads off the URL displayed on the phone. The remote expert enters this into the application and then starts up the viewfinder mode. There are several pseudo-video modes available. The basic one is a series of very low-resolution JPEG images. This is good for establishing the camera's overall position in the environment, but it has an update rate of less than 1 frame per second. A different option is a progressive codec. In this mode, grayscale images are sent at around 10 frames per second. While very blurry, this gives a much better feeling of motion and pointing direction. Yet when the camera stares at something, the most recent image is successively refined instead. Once the phone user has pointed the camera in the correct direction, the expert can remotely trigger an image capture. This is then uploaded for full resolution viewing. The expert can shift the image around and zoom in on relevant portions. The edited image can then be sent back to the phone. It can also be marked up in real time by the expert. The expert can also send other stored images, such as manual pages or assembly diagrams. The IBM Ubiq system provides distinct advantages for tasks like field service. It allows service providers to more efficiently utilize their experts. It also gives the customer economical access to more competent assistance with quicker response times. With this technology, the top of the skill pyramid becomes virtually ubiquitous.